Hey everyone, quick update for the week ending Friday, March 20th. Hope everyone is surviving the volatility. Had a little bounce Monday and Tuesday. Markets sold off on Wednesday with the hot PPI reading pre-market and then FOMC Wednesday afternoon. Buyers tried to step in a little bit on Thursday, but no continuation today. Sellers back in control after more bad news out of the whole Iran conflict, along with some different interest rate bond issues in the bond market. Inflation fears continue. So no bueno for stocks. NASDAQ lower as well, almost 2% lower today. Russell over 2% lower today to end the week. And the Dow was down a little bit less than 1%, but continued weakness across the board. Gold down 2% today, continuing its slide. Was at 5,400 just a couple weeks ago, now at 4,500. Silver down 4.5% today, back at $68 an ounce. 10-year yield has just been on fire to the upside with fears that there's not going to be any interest rate cuts anytime soon. I mean, we were below 3.9 in the 3.8s just a couple weeks ago. Now we're at 4.379 is where it settled. Oil up 2.5% today. It's been in kind of a consolidating range, but that's a $10 range in oil this week. Hit a high this week of 102, a low of about 92, 91 and a half. So kind of staying in that wide volatility range. Natural gas down 2.5% today, but pretty sideways. The euro and the pound gained a little strength versus the US dollar this week, and Bitcoin ticked above 76 on Tuesday. A little above 76 on Tuesday, and then settled back in just below 70,000 on the futures. VIX ended up at 26.78, hit a high today of, 29.28. So continued volatility. Expect that here for the near future until we get some really good news to kind of take the pressure off. So that's the markets. Let's take a quick look at my trades for the month. Let me pull that up here. A little over $9,600 in booked profits for the week. 0 DTE. These are primarily price action iron condors. Had a couple losers, the rest winners. A couple nice FOMC trades. $2,485 for the week. British iron condors. Monday was red. Tuesday was really nice, and then didn't trade FOMC. Thursday gave it all back, and then small green day today. So minus 1,094 on the week. Magic Mahomes, not so magic this week. Had a pretty big loss on Wednesday, basically a pin. So anyway, minus 1,600 on the week for Mahomes. 2 losers, 3 winners, but a little bit red. 1 DTEs, haven't been doing any transformers just because of the premium environment here, but 1 winner, 1 loser, small green plus 263. Calendar spreads, had a 3-4 winner, a 6-7 winner today, and then my OPEX calendar plus 3,947. That was a really nice win. Could have been massive had I held longer, but just kind of stuck with the plan. So nice winner. Plus 4,613 on the week for calendars. The wheel did a couple things this week. Had to roll down some calls in Hood. Got to sign some shares in SLV and UNG. This is not weekly results. This is just year to date. So year to date, the portfolio is down about 4.1%. Directional day trades, plus 3,963. 66% win rate on 12 trades. Profit factor 1.78. 3,963 in booked profits. And then my DC time machines closed 5 trades. Only had 1 loser, and it was this minus $180. But closed trades this week plus 970 on 5 trades. Unfortunately, with the big moves out of my range, I didn't hit any max profits, but plus 970 on those for the week. So puts me at 10,978 for the month. Got a bunch of open stuff for next week. Hopefully we can hit a couple max profits to end the month. But that is my week. Hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.